Hey, it's King. Thanks for checking into my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe and like below. Today, I'm actually doing something a little different. Usually, I do a lot of how-tos, a lot to show you guys my custom work. But today, I'm going to do an unboxing video. And I got a pair off confirmed. I actually am pretty lucky on getting things from confirmed. Every once in a while, I hit on a Yeezy. But I have been lucky enough to actually hit on all the Sean Wotherspoon's pair, with the exception of one, and that's because I didn't try, because I feel like sometimes the colorways with them are a little similar. So let's get to the unboxing. Here is the box. It actually came relatively fast. It came within 3 days, and I think that's because I'm in Los Angeles and the distribution center for this pair was in Bloomberg. So I'm just going to take some handy shears and I'm going to get the box open. The best part, I guess, from Adidas is that it comes in an unmarked type box, so it's not as dangerous as when you get the Adidas or the Nike ones, when it's got like Nike tape all over it and it's like hard to do. So we don't need the box. So in this one actually came in a normal box, which I was kind of disappointed. Usually when you get the Sean Wotherspoon shoes, they will have a box because most of them are made like out of recycled materials. So for example, like for this one, and I wear mines, this one came in a special box. The Superstar came in a special box. Now I actually wear my pairs. Maybe I'll do a couple videos of me actually cleaning them. These ended up being like super trash, like on the first or second wear. For some reason, this sole that they recycled sole that they used ended up being like a magnet for dirt. And these are just all around comfortable, and everybody loves the little pouchy bag that it has for your herbals. They made a second colorway of this one, but I didn't end up getting it just because I felt like it was too close to this exact same style, and so I opted not to get it. But I think if I would have tried, I maybe would have scored on that one as well. This one obviously features the Disney Jiminy Cricket. So this one was a cool one because it's a 3-way collab on this one. So that's pretty cool. But let's get this one. So this one ends up being an Equipment Support 93. You can see it right there. And this didn't come with a really cool box at all, just a normal Adidas box. And even on the outside of it, it doesn't give you any indication that it's a Sean Wotherspoon design. But when you open it up, they did come with a Sean Wotherspoon tissue, which is about all you really get as far as like the packaging on this one. And I don't know if it's just like got mass produced or whatever. So here's what they look like. Now, I've never owned a pair of this Equipment Support 93. I don't know if that's just a new variation on the style. It does have a collaboration with Cordura brand fabric. So whatever this toe is made with, it's a durable fabric. It does feature the cork on the inside. It does give you multiple Adidas on the tongue, and it's got sort of a rubberized tongue. It does give you the Sean signature flowers on it, which you find on this one here. He didn't do the flowers on here other than the little flower on the bag. But you do get them all the way around. It does have a sort of a trekking kind of running sort of feel to it. It does come with these really cool little beads. I think you're just supposed to interwove them into the laces. I did take a minute to see what it spells. You only get one bag of these. It does come with really cool laces. It does come with these little shoelace, so you don't have to tie them if you don't want to. Kind of a, kind of a Jordan-esque kind of thing with that. It's got a couple, like a little tribal pull tab here on the back. It has alternating blue and red here. And then he went for a series of colors here on the loops here. So you got red, orange, green, blue, purple. They're a cool piece of hardware though on this pair. I mean, the fact that they went with individually painted ones to get to go all the way above. He's got some really interesting materials on this pair. I'm sure the person that was making this was probably this upper. If you're like into making shoes, I mean, this has got layer upon layer upon layer upon layer of material to make this pair. Now, I haven't tried this pair on quite yet, but the cool thing, I think the coolest thing about anything that Sean does is they always have a really cool stash. And you can see on this one, it's got it on the top of the tongue. And then, I mean, they went all out because the little hint of, I mean, they could have just left this plain, but it's really dope. It's got that sort of flowery pattern also on the inside, and it literally runs, like I could put my whole hand in, I've got small hands, but it runs the whole length of the shoe. It runs the whole length of the shoe here. So you get them on both. So there are 2 secret pockets on both. Now if you got the other pair, you only got 1 little secret pocket. This one, you get 2. So whatever herbal or your wallet actually can fit in this one. So if you're going, you know, to a concert, Coachella, any of those things, these are actually the perfect pair because you could put your whole wallet in there and you could have a great old time and not worry about losing it on this pair. I mean, I'm going to rock them tonight, but I thought I'd keep them crispy and clean just to do a unboxing on this pair. Well, you know what we can do? Since we're doing this, we could actually, let's see, where are my shears? I do them. Here? Nope. Nope. Oh, that one. Ah, there. Actually, let's cut this off. I don't really know what you can spell. Let's see. Hose. Let's see if we can lace one up here. To keep. All right, I think this has to be sort of strategic. So, let's see, beads. Oh, perfect. They slide in nice and neat. All right, so yellow. So keep 2. We do love. E. Apparently I don't know how to spell. O. Put these 2 on there. Tie a little knot. That's nice. Let's go to the other one. This. And I will spell out the word peace on this one. So let's go the reverse. E. Here. So love and peace on. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think once you lace them up, loosen them up enough, become more for comfort. And so I'm super excited to try this pair to see how they feel. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Make sure to like and subscribe below, and I will try to do more unboxing videos, especially as I win some of the more desirable pairs. And maybe we'll do something fun. Maybe I'll do a couple cleaning up videos on the other pair so we can display all 3 pairs looking crisp and clean. Thanks.